Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Rebel Trading. So in today's video, I got this trading strategy on the 15-minute time frame. Of course, it works on any other time frame. It works for everything. Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever you trade, this strategy will work on. Of course, I typically trade on Forex, if not Bitcoin, so I will be using the Euro USD pair for today's video. Before we begin though, I am not a financial advisor. Anything in this video is mostly for educational purposes only. Please be sure to do back testing before making any kind of investing decisions. So as usual, everything in this video is for free. We're going to go up to indicators here. The first indicator that we're going to look up is the Nadaraya Watson envelope by Lux algorithm. We're going to click on that. After that, we're going to go over to settings. We're going to uncheck the labels and the tables box. So it should look just like that. The second one that we're going to use is the ATR stop loss. The third indicator that we're going to use is the good old RSI. Once you've got the RSI, you're going to go down to settings. We're going to uncheck the RSI based MA box as well as the RSI middle band. Feel free to customize anything else as to your preference. Usually I change up the colors, but I'm trying to keep everything simple for the sake of this video. So at this point, your chart should look something similar to this. So now for the trading strategy. For a long, what we're going to do is we're going to look for the price action to go outside of the envelope to the point to where it is oversold. The second thing that we're going to look for is the RSI needs to be 30 or lower, showing an oversold signal. The third thing we're going to look for is for the candle to turn green. As you can see in this situation, the candle did turn green. It was outside the envelope, but the RSI was not below 30. So we couldn't have been able to take a long trade in this. So as you can see right here, we have a perfect example for a trade, a very profitable one at that. We can see price action crossing outside of the envelope. The RSI is below 30, and we wait for a green candle to print. We would take our long position from right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a long position. As for the stop loss, we are going to set the stop loss to the ATR line. So right here below the green line. As usual, I set at least a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, and I take my first profit point at the 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So somewhere around right there. After my first profit target has been hit, I move my stop loss up to the entry point so that I don't have to take any losses. As you can see, we have our first profitable trade, and if you'd like to, you can leave the trade open and continue to trail the stop loss so that you don't leave any additional profits on the table. As you can see here, the strategy also works for higher time frames such as the 1 hour. Right here, we can see that a green candle is printed. It is outside of the Watson envelope by the red line, and the RSI is below 30. So at this point, we would take our long position. Set the stop loss down to the ATR band and set the risk-reward ratio to 2. For a short position, we're going to do the complete opposite. What we are going to do is we're going to wait until the price action goes above the Watson envelope. Then we're going to wait until a red candle is printed. At that point, if the RSI is 70 or above, we can take a short position. As you can see from right here, the RSI barely hit the 70 position. Technically, we can take a short position from right here. So we're going to open a short, set the stop loss to the ATR line, and we're going to have a 2.0 risk-reward ratio. All right, now let's use it on Bitcoin. As you can see here, it is still possible to use this same strategy for Bitcoin, although Bitcoin is much more volatile compared to Forex or stocks, so I'd recommend to use better risk management whenever you're applying this to Bitcoin. So I would put it to a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio whenever you decide to take profits. And you can also use it on smaller time frames such as the 1 minute, 3 minute, or the 5 minute time frame. I'm typically not that type of trader though, but if you feel that you're that type of trader, I would encourage you to not only try and use this strategy, but also to do back testing. And once again, always apply proper risk management. you always want to be setting your stop loss at the ATR line. If you're not setting your stop loss, you're wrong. So please feel free to try out this strategy. I have used it quite a bit already, and I have made quite a bit of profits on it. If you found value out of today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click the like button, and please comment down below for any types of trade strategies or ideas that you would like to share with me or see me cover in future videos. Once again, thank you very much, and I would appreciate it if you would click the subscribe button in order to see future trading strategies and how you can make profit with day trading. Thank you.